Hello to all my dear students. Before I start my class, let me ask you one simple question. What is communication? Yes, I hope that you all will be answering me what is communication. Yes, it simply means that whatever things we are conveying to others, our views, our ideas, whatever is going in our mind, and we are communicating to others in the form of words, that is known as communication. Now for communication, to make it more impressive, if we will be using phrases, then our communication would be more nice, it will be more impressive. So for that, today's let's take few examples of phrases. So number one, we can take a blessing in disguise. It means that a good thing that seemed bad at first, a good thing that seemed bad at first, for that we use phrase a blessing in disguise. Then number two, we will take beat around the bush. Beat around the bush. Now what does it mean, a beat around the bush? Avoid something. It means avoid something usually you mean because it is uncomfortable for you. So for now you can say beat around the bush when you are not feeling comfortable in that and you avoid what you mean usually. So for that you can use the phrase beat around the bush. Then number three, we can take get out of hands. Now, what does it mean, get out of hands? It means get out of control. When something is not in your favor, when something is not in your hands, and you feel out of control, so for that you can take the phrase get out of hands. Then miss the boat. Miss the boat. Now what does it mean, miss the boat? When it's too late. When it's too late, you can use for that phrase you have missed the boat. So now you can use the phrase you have missed the boat. So the phrase is miss the boat. Then number five, at the last we will take phrase hang in there. Hang in there. It means never give up, don't give up. Now for never give up, now for don't give up, you can use the phrase hang in there. Hang in there. Now you can practice